Hello friends, you are on the Home Tips channel. Now I will show you why you need to pour coffee into your car. For this life hack, you don't need to brew coffee and pour it into your car. We will need coffee grounds. It must be dry, so when you decide to do this, be sure to dry the coffee grounds. Next, take a small container and pour a few spoons of coffee into it. To prevent it from crumbling, cover the container with cling film and make holes in it with a toothpick. You can make several of these containers to place around your car. What is this for? Coffee has excellent absorbent properties, which allow it to absorb unpleasant odors. So if you smell an unpleasant odor in your car, for example from tobacco, from an animal, from spoiled food, place containers with coffee grounds in different corners of the car and leave them there for a few days. This method will not only eliminate the unpleasant odor, but will also fill the car interior with a pleasant aroma. If you are faced with the problem of excess moisture in your car, the first thing you need to do is thoroughly ventilate the car interior. You can also use various absorbents to help soak up excess moisture. Cat litter is great for this. Pour it into a sock. And tie it. Make several of them and place them throughout the interior of your car. When moving, store the filler under the seat or where it will not get in the way. You should also check the ventilation system and, if necessary, contact a specialist. Try these life hacks if you want to get rid of unpleasant odors and humidity in your car. If you found this video helpful, please like it and subscribe to my channel. Thank you all for watching. See you in other videos.